In the inky depths of the ocean, where sunlight has never reached, a realm both enchanting and unnerving exists. This is a world shrouded in perpetual darkness, teeming with marine life that looks like it belongs in a different epoch. Shadows flicker across ancient shipwrecks, their skeletal remains whispering tales of long-forgotten voyages. A strange, otherworldly sound reverberates through the water, a low, haunting moan that seems to be beckoning from the abyss. It is a sound that has puzzled scientists and evoked a sense of wonder and unease in all who have heard it. This is the soundscape of the deep sea, where the mysteries outnumber the known species, and the unexplored territories stretch endlessly. The ocean floor is a canvas painted in dark hues, with bioluminescent creatures providing bursts of light like stars in a night sky. As these beings swim through the eternal night, their light reveals glimpses of the unknown. A colossal shape moving in the distance, the yawning maw of an unseen predator, or the faint outline of a submerged mountain range. The strange sounds are sometimes rhythmic, beating like the heart of the ocean itself. At other times, they are chaotic and dissonant, as if echoing the chaotic nature of the deep. These sounds have been variously attributed to geological activity, undiscovered marine life, or even the spectral presence of the ocean's past. Diving into these depths is not for the faint of heart. It's a journey into the unknown, where each creak, groan, and sigh of the water holds a story waiting to be unveiled. The mystery of these sounds heightens the enigma of the ocean, a place where the line between reality and myth blurs. Here, the deep blue turns into the black of the abyss, and every dive is a venture into an untamed wilderness. The ocean is a place where science meets folklore, where every strange sound fuels the imagination, and where the next discovery could rewrite the annals of marine exploration.